Hi everyone and welcome to my Grease Pencil tutorial. This is my process for the LINEART. Let's open Blender. My version is a 2.91. Select create a new 2D animation scene. If for some reason this menu doesn't appear, just go to File, New, 2D Animation. You will have this interface. I recommend you to stay into this view for the whole process. If you suddenly move from this view, just press numpad 0 or click on this camera icon to get back to the initial view. And don't worry, I activated the screencast key so you'll be able to follow me throughout this tutorial. I did prepare something in advance. It's a sketch that I made and this is a great time for us to work on it together. By the way, I just want to thank you guys for the suggestion. These characters are really cool and awesome and I hope you will like it. Before I start, my tab key is set to switch over the Grease Pencil mode. It's really important for you to know that because I do switch a lot during the process. So right here, I created a new layer to refine a bit the sketch and get a better version. I'm on a draw mode. I select the pen tool, choose my pen and set my preferences. For the pen users, you can play with pen pressure on some setting when this icon appears. It's the same feature that you can find in most digital painting software. For those who are using a mouse, the freehand style might not be the good option for you. That's why I really recommend you to use these line tools right here. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. However, a pen tablet seems to be the ideal option for this type of work. Also, if you're using a pen tablet, by holding Shift during drawing, you will activate the stabilization mode. It will help you to reduce and improve your shaky lines. You can access manually to this option by looking at the stroke tab. It does help a lot and I really recommend you to give it a try. Personally, I don't touch anything, I just stick to the holding Shift option. For erasing, you have of course the eraser, very handy when I'm sketching. You have to know that the Blender eraser is particular. You can erase by fading a stroke, you can erase by vertex point, and you can erase by stroke. I prefer the vertex point method because a stroke is composed of vertex points, and by this fact I can either cut a line in two or many parts or partially remove it, but it's up to you to choose yours. The last useful tool is the cutter tool. This is probably my favorite one in terms of cleaning lines. It can help you to remove some specific part of the drawing. And this demo will tell you more about it. I hope you got the idea about the use of the cutter tool. It might not work properly in the way you want. The reason is that the cutter tool cuts depending on the number of the vertex. And the more vertex you have, the more precise the cut will be. If it's happened, one of the solutions is to add more vertex points by subdividing. You probably noticed earlier that I switched into edit mode. I mostly use edit mode for making selection, doing transformation, move, rotate, scale, selecting specific vertex. copy and paste, and also duplicate. Other than that, this mode is helpful if you want to rearrange the elements of the scene. And lastly, the sculpt mode. The sculpt mode could be the solution for correcting or reshaping your shaky lines. In most of my work, I only use the push and the smooth tool. And really important, I always work with selection for a better control of my actions. Also, same thing like the stabilization line, if you use the push tool and then by holding shift, you will be able to smooth instantly. So let's be a bit crazy to show you the potential of the sculpt mode. So that's it for me today. If you can practice these techniques, I guarantee that you will master the grease pencil in a fast pace. I hope this video was really instructive to you. The next video will be on the coloring. I'll leave you on a quick time lapse of my line art. Thanks again for watching. Peace.